Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best methods that you can use to get some interesting results. Here you can see my result. I have got some interesting results from CrakRevenue CPA network. I will also share with you free traffic method. You can get targeted traffic for your CPA offer. I'm going to share with you a step by step so you can watch this full video. Before we start, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on CrakRevenue CPA network. Guys, this is the best and most popular CPA network. This network have high paying CPA offers to choose from. You can use this CPA network to get some interesting results. This network have lots of promotion tools like you can use banner rates, SmartLink, live cam widget, direct link, embedded games, pre-roll ads, and there are many more. Here you can see this network has got 4.2 star ratings on Trustpilot. This is a trusted CPA network. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this CPA network. You can click on sign up button. You can sign up with Google, or you can type your first name, last name, your email address, password. You can read and accept your terms of service. You can verify this CAPTCHA. At last, you can click on create affiliate account button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see result, and here you can see this year total payout. I'm going to promote this CPA offer. Click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see offer description. Here you can see accepted countries. Here is showing top performing countries. Here you can see this CPA offer is accepted in all countries. No matter what country you are in, you can promote this CPA offer anywhere in the world. Here you can see restrictions. Here you can see CPA link. And here you can see conversion flow. User clicks on the link. User generates a conversion. Payable action triggered when the user completes the desired action. You can copy the CPA link. Guys, here you can see top promotional methods: SEA, SEO, mailing, push notification, and banners. Let me show you how you can promote this CPA offer. Guys, first of all, you will have to create landing page. I'm going to create simple landing page for the CPA offer. You can go on Google Sites. Here you can see templates. I'm going to use this template. Now I'm going to customize this template. You can type your person's name. You can type your anything. Now I'm going to delete this text. You can customize this template. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can add your CPA offer. First of all, I'm going to type here some text. Click on text box. Type your text. You can type here this kind of text. Now I'm going to add your button. Click on button. Type your button name. You can type your start. You can type your anything. Now you can paste your CPA link. You can go on CrakRevenue CPA network. Here is showing CPA link. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Now you can go on Google site. You can paste your CPA link. You can click on insert button. You can drag this button here. Okay, after completing it, you can click on publish button. You can click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. This Google site has published successfully. You can click on this link icon. Here is showing URL of this Google site. You can click here to copy this URL. Now in next step, what you will have to do is, I'm going to share with you one of the best traffic source. I wanna share with you this traffic source called 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌. Guys, here you can see this website is getting more than 61,000 monthly visits. Here you can see top 5 countries. This website is getting more than 78% visits from United States. Guys, if you will share your Google site on this website, then you can get lots of targeted users. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this website. After creating account on this website, you can click on post ad button. Now you can click on post free ad button. You can select your location. You can select any of this location. You can click on this button. Now you can type your ad title. You can type your ad description. You can type your age. You can select your location. You can upload your image. You can read and accept your terms of service. You can verify this captcha. At last, you can click on continue button. In next step, you can preview your ad. In third step, you can publish your ad on this website. Similarly, you can go on adpost.com website. Here you can see this website is getting more than 125,000 monthly visits. Here you can see top 5 countries. You can get lots of users on your website from these countries. You can click on post your ad button. You can select your country. You can select your category. You can select personals category. In next step, you will have to create account on this website. You can type here your email address, password. You can type your username, first name, last name. You can select here your country. You can select your state. You can read and accept its terms of service. At last, you can click on create account button. I have already created account on this website. I'm going to sign in. After creating account on this website, you can click on post your ad button. You can select your country. Now you can select your category. You can scroll down. You can select your this option. Now you can type your title. You can type your description. You can select here any of this option. You can type your age. If you want, you can type all of this information. You can scroll down. You can paste your website URL. At last, you can click on preview ad button. I'm going to fill all of this information. You can type your title. You can type your description. Here you can see restrictions. You can type your this kind of text. You can scroll down. You can select here this option. If you want, you can type all of this information. If you want, you can type your contact information. This is optional. You can paste here your Google site URL. You can go on your Google site. You can click on this link icon. Here is showing URL of this Google site. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on AdPost website. You can paste your Google site URL. You can scroll down. At last, you can click on preview ad button. Here you can see your advertisement. You can click on post your ad button. Here you can see your ad has been successfully posted. You can also upload your image. You can click on upload button. Here you can see upload successful. Your photo has been uploaded to your ad. You can scroll down. You can click on view my ad button. Guys, here is showing this advertisement. Here is showing title. Here is showing image. Here is showing description. When any user will reply to this advertisement, then you can share your Google site URL with that user. You can see here all your messages. You can share your Google site URL with users. Guys, using this method, you can get lots of targeted users on your Google site. When any user will visit on your Google site, and if they will click on this button, then CrakRevenue Network will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then CrakRevenue Network may credit your account. Guys, using this method, you can generate good amount of leads. If you want to learn more about CrakRevenue Network, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.